Hello everyone, welcome to our basic level Microsoft Excel course. Whether you are just getting started with Excel or looking to solidify your foundational skills, you're in the right place. This course will cover essential Excel functions and features, ensuring you can confidently use this powerful tool. Let's take a look at what you will learn from this class. Getting started with Excel. Cells and ranges, entering, editing data, and autofill in cells, changing font, styles, size, and color, applying number formats, conditional formatting basics, introduction to formulas and functions, using sum, average, mean, and max function, understanding and using count and count a function, creating and formatting charts, formatting and customizing charts, working with templates, shapes, 3D models, and smart art. After completing this class, you will be able to navigate and use the Excel interface efficiently, enter, edit, and format data in Excel, apply various number formats and conditional formatting, create and customize charts and graphs, use basic and advanced functions and formulas, work with templates to streamline tasks, enhance spreadsheets with shape, 3D models, and smart art. This is a project-based class, so you will have class projects to apply what you have learned. You will have supporting resources in this class to make learning easier. During learning, if you face any issue or have any question,